This one stock can change early buyers' lives. This is not financial advice, but my research suggests it's a good idea to buy as much as possible before November 24th. The company is Grail, ticker symbol GRAL. It IPO'd in June of 2024, so just about 18 months ago. They're in the healthcare space. And notably today, the healthcare ETF, XLV, holding up significantly, even as the market drops. The biggest drop since now a full month ago, since Trump Chi rare earth conflict led to a big market drop. Bitcoin crypto liquidations were massive on that day, October 10th, a month ago. So it's been a month since then. We have another big clearing out day, and this one stock is holding up relatively well in a sector that's holding up super well, healthcare, even as the market falls. Let's jump into a little breakdown.
This is Sam Putnam.
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 So this is Grail. They do cancer detection. That's their mission. They can identify multiple cancer types in early stages using some sequencing and basically gathering a bunch of big data. So a combination of large data and also this platform, I don't know what methylation is, but it sounds fancy. They're in Menlo Park, so they're at Silicon Valley through and through. And this is what their raises were, 300 million and then 100 million just this month, really, like about a month ago, around $70. And we can see, looking at the price, that's a pretty solid price to raise at, considering the stock was at $34 a month earlier. So just had earnings. The loss is less than expected, than estimated. And today, yeah, it's down a little bit. But when you look at the market as a whole, the market is down a lot. So this company definitely looks solid in comparison. And as mentioned, if we look at the healthcare ETF, big move up last few days, driven in part by Eli Lilly and Merck, big moves. Novo Nordisk, not so much, but definitely a move after earnings. Pfizer, same deal. This is in that category. And this is a nice flag regardless of this earnings. This earnings didn't really impact that flag much, which is actually, in this particular case, kind of a good thing, because it gets you right in that spot where you can buy without risking much. You maybe risk $79, a couple bucks to make 10, 20 or more. So that's how it became or becomes interesting. Earnings doesn't always help. I mean, you saw this Etsy flag absolutely collapse on earnings, but sometimes it can be pretty useful. So GRAL setting up. And in terms of similar tickers, Guardian Health, one that is a pretty nice earnings reaction, similar to GM, actually. The tickers just happen to be really similar, but Guardian Health holding really well. And that's a great example for what's to come for Grail. Grail. The ticker is GRAL. EXAS, another reaction that's similarly solid. So keep an eye on those. But in general, this is definitely a speculative space, aka the cure for cancer has not been found. Early detection for cancer is a very commonly explored startup space. So I don't know what to say except to say we can invest in this for the next month or so and so far it seems like a good idea to get in right now. This revenue is modest, is maybe an understatement, 30 million. But you know what? Yes, they have a big net loss, 100 million plus. But the move in the stock is pretty wild. And when they raised all that money, which we saw here at $70, we can look exactly. October 16th and 20th puts that right around here and here. So they definitely raised lower than the stock price at that time. So it's not surprising we kind of retested 70s or your very low 70s and still holding up above that level. So you know what? If they lost 100 million, but they have 600 million, it doesn't give them a long runway, but it definitely shows the ability to raise money. I don't know if this is exactly correct. I mean, I know the calculation is correct, but it doesn't sound like they actually have 2.5 years of the current amount of money they have. But this is rare to look at 2 private placements within 4 days. That's usually not how that goes. Promising top line results from this study. It's a lot of participants, and anything could happen. But this isn't like a dangerous biotech company, and I don't mean dangerous in the sense of what they're up to, but well, a little bit actually. There is a company recently, NTLA, which recently had a big drop based on a participant having a major side effect, and then QURE not having a control group, so the FDA was not happy with that. That also was a big drop, although there's some speculation that FDA member was doing this out of spite or something, but this isn't that, okay? This is a machine learning data company, so it is healthcare, but it's a little different. So that's the idea. If you like these ideas, hit that like. If you want a free course on how to buy stocks before they go up, hit that subscribe. And if you want a $25 trial for 7 days, head over to stockscommunity.com.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.